How to fix NTFS File System blue error in Windows. 1. Scan system for files, admin mode. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to. Run a disk scan as admin. Command chkdsk/fc. 3. Run an antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Run startup repair in advanced save mode. 5. Rebuild the boot manager in advanced save mode. Commands include botrec .exe /fixbotrec.exe /fixbotrec.exe /rebuild/botrec/scanos6. Reset or reinstall your Windows. 7. Run Microsoft's blue screen error troubleshooter. 8. Free up system drive or extend Windows partition. 9. Update all your device, say, HDD or SSD, drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 10. Check and repair potentially bad sectors for damaged hard drive.